Is your Jeep Compass key fob not working? For 2017-2021 models, the most common culprit is a dead battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, available for under $5 online or at most stores like Amazon. First, ground yourself to prevent static electricity damage. Then carefully pry open the key fob at the rear seam, often indicated by a sticker. Note the orientation of the old battery, remove it, and insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If the remote still doesn't work after a battery replacement, it could indicate a deeper issue, such as a faulty receiver module in your Jeep. This could be related to the 2021 Stellantis recall that affected approximately 1.3 million vehicles, including the Jeep Compass, due to faulty key fobs. In this case, dealership reprogramming may be required, potentially covered under warranty if your vehicle was affected by the recall. Always check your key fob annually and replace the battery proactively to avoid unexpected failures. Use genuine batteries to prevent corrosion. If you ignore warning signs, such as the key fob working intermittently, this could lead to theft or a failure when you need to start your car. This has been reported in a number of cases. So it's worth checking and is a low-cost, high-success fix.